Hey, what's up everybody? It's your boy Scotty Peach, your kick-ass Harley dealer, American Eagle. And hey man, I'm just checking out all these beautiful 2022s that we just got in. I hope you guys will come by and check them out this weekend when you're in doing your painting, doing some shopping, whatever it is that you're doing this Saturday. You know, a new Harley is almost like it's like a blank canvas, man, so to speak. So there's a million different things you can do with it. So if you decide to take one of these bad boys home and personalize it, be sure to go over and talk to my boys in Parts.
Hey, my name's Jack Daniel. I work back in service department, but let me tell you about this weekend and everything we have going on. So, not only are we doing painting with a twist, but also on the showroom floor, we're going to be installing these factory 47s on a 2022 Roadglide. Now, we have 2 weeks left on our sale, which we're doing 10% off bars and labor. So, if you guys want to come down this weekend and check this out, we're going to take these handlebars right here and we're going to install them on this 2022 Roadglide. So we're going to do the build on the floor. So if painting is not your thing, you're not a Picasso or nothing, Lord knows I'm not, but you're more of a kind of a hands-on type person and you want to see how to install these handlebars, we're going to do that on the showroom floor this weekend. So please come out and see us, and don't forget, 2 weeks left on this sale, so make sure you come see Dan in Parts or come see Dan and Jimmy in Service so we can make an appointment and get these handlebars installed for you.